Okay, so we're trying to replace the ice cube tray in this Liebherr, and there's some better videos on getting this out. And then what I'm having a heck of a time with is getting this faceplate off, which keeps this in place. There's a screw that goes through the circuit board and screws into the back. And I haven't found a video yet that shows doing it, so we'll give it a try here. Okay, I just succeeded in getting the first tab off the top here. So by the way, first it's easy to get these tabs off by going through the top there. And I managed to pry up and get a bigger screwdriver in the top here, and then I just, by working this screwdriver in here and try to work back and forth, I seem to have freed up that tab there. So let's see if I can go some more. I'm gonna just continue to work this here. Okay, then I got to the remaining tabs by sliding this screwdriver in here, kind of working it up like that. And then once we can see here, now we find the arch nemesis there, and another torques to take out.